GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
I think when I am in love, I believe in one thing, which is loving with responsibility. What my father has always taught me, that you only learn to love when you not only love the good in the person, but also the bad in the person.
Absolutely.
Dave scolds me when I'm on set. And when he sees the work on screen, he's like a father figure, Sete, he's the first one to scold me. And then when he sees the film, he's also the first one to come and tell me that, you deserve a pat on your back. You've done a good job. We get tired. You won't believe it. Dave and I, the only time I think we actually fight is because it's nice because also, we did our first film together, which Dave came to me with. After that, it's all the directors who come to me with films and then they want to cast us together, and then we tell, please, you don't have to cast us together, please cast us with separate people because it's not necessary. They said, no, but we really want the two of you together. Please, even take outs I'm saying no to. Once I heard the script along with Dave, they was like, ab chhoro. Chhod ke dikao chale. I remember that I was trying to control, I was banging on that table, control, you can't, and it just didn't. It was 5 years of emotions and that one moment. They say that Star Theatre bears the curse of Binodini. It was originally in 1883 when they built it. It was built at Beedon Street. 2 बार उसमें आग लगा, फिर उन्होंने लगा नहीं इसमें कुछ श्रापित बात है, तो उन्होंने उसको शिफ्ट करके हाथी बागान में एक जगह पे जो अभी स्टार थिएटर था. You won't believe it. They used to say that is because of Binodini it used to catch fire. 1 महीने बाद cut to जब मैंने देखा, our studio it was completely intact and only where Binodini set was there had caught fire.
I have to ask you.
No.
I have to ask you.
No.
I have to.
No.
How do you know what I'm going to ask you? Is there any plan to get married?
Of course.
Pretty soon? It has been years that I know her, and it has been years that I knew that she is doing a film called Binodini. And as a Bengali, I have never ever said this, and I must say that I'm extremely proud that a film like Binodini is hitting theatres, because when we speak about pan-India films, Bengalis are here and they're here to rule and stay. And today joining me for a conversation is Rukmini Moitro, only in conversation with me for Galata India. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Thank you for having me. Khub bhalo khobor.
At the press conference, you got really emotional. I saw that. I'm shocked.
Sure. Full research, full. Hobby, best talk show host in the country.
Thank you.
You're biased. Nimbu pani with
You are biased.
I'm not biased, I'm honest.
You are also biased. I'm also honest, but I'm very biased, so I know that you are extremely biased. So, I dekhechi video ta, jekhane you got emotional.
Yeah.
What was that whole point where you got emotional? What ran actually in your mind?
So, I had prepared for an Oscar speech. And I had prepared it every single time over the 5 years, whenever I was told that, okay, we found a producer and this movie is going to happen. And I had a vision that, Ram and I, we would talk and this is how we would make the film. And every time in my head, I had completely drafted an entire speech that this is what I'm going to say on the day of my trailer release. I'm going to talk about the journey, I'm going to talk about the film, I'm going to talk about how I've evolved as an actor, how enriched this movie has made me, this character, whatever. I had an Oscar speech ready, even the Golden Globes, everything was ready for me. It was just done, and I've rehearsed it at home. I've rehearsed it before in front of the mirror in my bathroom. I've done all of those things. And होता है ना कि 100 सोनार की एक लोहार की, उस दिन वो लोहार भगवान खुद था. जब मैं वहां पे खड़ी हुई थी, मुझे immediately एक चीज आया कि I don't know what happened, what got to me. I had so much in my head, and I wept like a child because मुझे लगा कि यार बच्चे का सपना ये हो गया. It just happened. So that moment was so personal, which was so public, that I was so overwhelmed that I'm actually seeing this day. होता है ना एक दिन होगा, एक दिन होगा तो ऐसा होगा. And finally 5 साल के बाद ये दिन आया. And जब मैं उस मंच पे खड़ी हुई थी ना, मेरे दिमाग में कुछ नहीं चला, and I just saw the little Rukmini in front of me saying that you did it. You did it. Be proud of yourself. You've done it. You've brought her story to the world. And I just saw her and myself standing there, and I saw that girl in the mirror where I would practice my speech, that little Rukmini and myself standing. It's exactly like the Chotto Putti, Chotto Binodini that the trailer starts
Yeah.
with, and the elder
Binodini.
one, and Binodini. It was just that moment, and I couldn't say anything. And I think that's the reason why they say that silence speaks louder than words. And I remember that I was trying to control. I was banging on that table, control, control, control. You can't, you can't, you can't, you can't. And it just didn't. It was 5 years of emotions and that one moment. And when there was so much silence when the trailer had released, like even everyone was choked when they saw the trailer. And the last dialogue was, "Is theater mein meri jaan basti hai, Gulmohk Babu."
Absolutely.
And everyone's like, "Are you okay? What happened? What happened?" And everyone was telling me, Dev, Ram, the media, they're friends now. And I just looked at Ram and I said, "Kyunki is Binodini mein meri jaan basti hai, Ram Kamal Babu. Is Binodini mein meri jaan basti hai." So,
But these are characters that touch you, right, in different ways. In
they don't
what
touch you. They take a part of your soul and they leave.
But in what way has it altered your choices as an artist? Has it? Doing a film like Binodini? Like, are there things that you will never compromise on?
That has been a decision from day one with me. Just that people are beginning to take notice now. I think every actor, they have that, वो एक वक्त चलता है, एक time चलता है.
Yeah.
99% मेहनत, 1% किस्मत, वही है. So from the very onset of my career, I have been very picky about the fact that from the day one, that if you take out the female protagonist and you can reach from point A to point B in very simply, then I need not be part of the film. Even if it's a 5-minute role. अगर मैं वो 5 मिनट में आके कुछ इम्पैक्ट करके मैं चली जाऊं कि मेरे बगैर वो पिक्चर की कहानी, वो होता है ना, वो दैट मोर, वो बदले ना, फिर मेरी वहां पे जरूरत नहीं है. That's what I believe. So I've always picked those parts. But yes, when I shot for, a lot of people think that I've shot for Binodini recently and it's released. I shot for it long back, 2023 January. उसके बाद मेरा conscious decision था, because a lot of people, after knowing that I've been casted for Binodini, came to me with a lot of biopics and a lot of periodic pieces, and then Bomkesh Shottopati had come to me and I had just wrapped up Binodini. And no, Birsa, my director was like, I want you. I said, no. Again, 2 महीने गुजर गए, और उसके बाद वो फिर से आके बोला, I still want you as Shottopati. So I did another periodic piece. It's from literature.
Periodic,
yeah, it's periodic. Thereafter, सब ऐसे ही आ रहे थे. So then I thought, and I have this one fear. It's not a fear. I wouldn't call it a fear. That's a very negative term. I just have this one idea in my head that मैं कभी भी ना किसी को मुझे एक बॉक्स में डालने नहीं दूंगी. ये तो मैं ना होने दूंगी. इससे अच्छा काम नहीं करूंगी, लेकिन मुझे पिंजरे में मत डालो. So in my head and heart, I was clear that because I know that I'm doing Binodini, I cannot keep doing periodic films. So consciously, subconsciously, I was waiting for a film, and then, now though the term is manifest, but I believe in the power of prayer. As a child, of course, so I remember Boomerang came to me, where I got a double role and where I got to play an AI robot, and they loved that performance as Nishat. So many children, so many people. And then immediately Tekka came to me with Srijit Mukherjee, and where I play this cop, and she's not the quintessential female cop that you see. She's rough and tough. She's very manly, the way she sits, the way she talks, the way she commands a room, the way, again, she's 5 different people. So everything kept changing. So the minute people thought, oh, acha, now she's only going to do a historic thing, I'm just going to I boarded a rocket ship and I went to the future and I became a robot. And oh, acha, now she's only going to do like a robot. And so I immediately boarded it back and I came back to the present. And I did a Tekka. Now when they're like, acha, what next? I'm going to do a Binodini, a Bengali icon. Now they're like, oh, now she's only going to do like experimental, crazy things, blah, blah. Then I've just signed a film which I was shooting for, where I'm the girl next door fighting with my father, Chiranjit Da. So I am not, one thing I'm not going to, you like me, you don't like me, you love me. That's the thing. It's not that like me, no, you love me. But मुझे पिंजरे में तो मैं किसी को नहीं डाल देती.
which is amazing.
Yeah,
But
touch wood.
you know, shoot kora Shumaya, you told me that there have been many eerie moments, right?
Yeah.
Where you could feel
Yeah.
the presence, right? What were those moments?
Oh my goodness, there were many. To name a few, I think we genuinely believe that our team, especially, we felt that this woman really has been trying to take her story across, and she was waiting for the right person to bring it. Many directors before this, our DOP, the cinematographer who's being applauded, like everyone's talking about his work.
Oh my God, the
Shomi Khaldar, he's a magician. He's he's made
beautiful. Every frame.
he's made love to it. He's made love to it. And उन्होंने मुझे बताया, जिस दिन स्टार थिएटर विनोदिनी थिएटर हो गया, उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि रुक्मिणी पता है, सब कुछ ना, कोई भी चीज ना कोइंसिडेंस नहीं होता है, इत्तेफाक से नहीं होता है. जो भी होता है ना, किसी ने पहले से लिख के रखा है आपके किस्मत में. Rituparna Ghosh, he told me that day that almost 15-18 years ago, Rituparna Ghosh had narrated a script to him, sitting on the exact chair where Ram sat and narrated the script of Binodini to him. Do you know which film it was?
Binodini.
Binodini.
Oh my God.
While we were trying to make this film, Pradeep Sarkar was also trying to make this film. Unfortunately, he's no more. So, Binodini is not only a tribute to Binodini, it is a tribute to Ritu Da for us. It is a tribute to Pradeep Sarkar for us, Pradeep Da for us. That is there. And then he told me, ये इसी वक्त होना था, हम सब के हाथों से ही होना था. Because so many actors have tried to make it in the past, so many directors have tried to make it, and somehow we feel that she was very angry by the fact that, she's not getting her justice, she's not getting her due credit, it's not happening for her. Because I still remember, we clearly felt she was marking her territory, because पता है, हम लोगों ने ना बचपन में सब मैगजीन्स में हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है कि इस हीरो का पिक्चर का सेट ऐसे लगता था 70s में 80s में. यहाँ पे भी when you come onto a set, heroes talk about मेरा सेट इतने लाखों रुपया का, इतने करोड़ों का, this and that. So one day I went to set, and then I suddenly saw that the studio में and the entire city of Binodini, like back then, वो पूरा they have built it. So it was after many years, एक हीरोइन के लिए बंगाल में एक सेट बना था लाखों का. And I remember that day I touched every brick in the wall and I cried. And I am a very emotional person. I couldn't believe. Yeah, I am. I only function in emotion. Yeah. So, and हम लोग ने 3-4 दिन वहाँ पे शूट किया. And I was the only one shooting there. No other, like Rahul Bose, Chandan, Kaushik Da, no one was there. It was just me. हो गया. उसके बाद हम लोगों ने बाकी पिक्चर खत्म की. रैप अप हो गया. राम वापस बॉम्बे चला गया. मैं वापस घर. 1 महीना गुजर गया. और उसके बाद सडनली मैंने देखा कि इंटरनेट पे this video surfaced, and my hands were shaking. Like every time I narrate this story, I get a shiver down my spine. And I see that the entire studio is intact. Okay. Before that, I'll tell you another story. Star Theatre. They say that Star Theatre bears the curse of Binodini. It was originally in 1883 when they built it. It was built at Beedon Street. 2 बार उसमें आग लगा. फिर उन्होंने लगा नहीं, इसमें कुछ श्रापित बात है, तो उन्होंने उसको शिफ्ट करके हाथी बागान में एक जगह पे जो अभी स्टार थिएटर था. You won't believe it. They used to say that is because of Binodini it used to catch fire. 1 महीने बाद cut to जब मैंने देखा, our studio, it was completely intact, and only where Binodini set was there had caught fire. So वो Binodini के सेट पे, Binodini के बाद और कोई उसके इस्तेमाल नहीं कर पाएगा. It only belongs to Binodini.
Oh my God. How did you react to this?
I don't know. I sent it to Ram. I said, Ram, what is happening? Then I'll tell you another thing. In my teaser, there's a very popular shot where I'm waving my hand in the teaser of the film. And it's a very old hospital in Kolkata, which was shut down, and only shoots used to happen for many years. Even I have shot in it over 7 long years. And almost after a decade or more, they had painted the walls of that hospital and this and that just to shoot Binodini. And apparently, right after we shot it, something happened and they decided to restart that hospital. So, my line producer comes and tells Ram that, Ramda, the last frame to be shot in that hospital and that veranda is Binodini waving her hand like this, and no one else can shoot there ever after.
Oh my God. But I believe in all this, huh?
I do too.
আমি
I
কিন্তু
do.
আমি কিন্তু পাওয়ারটাতে বিলিভ করি,
একদম।
and I do believe that there are definitely powers that are completely unknown to us.
Yeah.
And I also believe in the fact that if you're a good human being, they will always be there protecting you and shielding you from everything.
Yes.
But yeah, আমার এটাই বক্তব্য ছিল when we go back to the whole press conference,
Yeah.
because you spoke about friends. When you were
I know. Yeah.
emotional, there was one person who actually made sure that you were completely comfortable and was giving you comfort, and he's possibly been, I want to take this opportunity to thank him for being the man he is, because I feel there was a point of time somebody asked him, like, who is it আমাকে বলে লোকেরা যে আমি কার থেকে jealous, envious, আর আমি কার থেকে শিখি and all.
Yeah.
And he just said that I learned from her.
Yeah.
When we speak about how patriarchal that system and the society is, and coming from a superstar like him, it makes a lot of difference.
World of a difference.
Right? And you've known him personally, right?
Yeah.
Having him with you as this supportive person in life, how does it change things, or how does it help your life?
You know, Nandeep, more than changing my life or helping me, I think that one statement coming from a superstar, a mammoth of a superstar, in a press conference, who millions of people, and especially not only young girls who love him, for boys who look up to him, when they hear a man in that position of that stature saying something about about a woman, that makes a world of a difference. And that only goes to show that only a secure man can secure such a position in life.
Absolutely. And nobody more secure than Devda. It is a fact, because আমরা যখনই কথা বলি, I used to badger him and you that please release a movie in Mumbai. If you don't, who will?
Yeah, who else? Even during Khada, every time you said it.
Listen, আমি বুঝিনি, why did you not release Khadan?
বলো, দেবকে বলো, আমি জানি না। Oh, I don't know.
He's releasing it in Dubai and saying full house. Just release it.
But it released in Hindi. But yeah, they didn't dub it and all that.
ওটাই তো problem.
I know.
I think
but
it's
I think in due time এটাও হবে।
your pairing has been one of the most loved pairings, like so much so that every year they want a movie with the both of you. The fans actually say that which is that movie this year where they'll get to see both of you. Do you guys also sometimes give into that kind of demands and pressure? Because
we get tired. You won't believe it. Dev and I, the only time I think we actually fight is because it's so it's nice, because also we did our first film together, which Dev came to me with. After that, it's all the directors who come to me with films, and then they want to cast us together, and then we tell, please, you don't have to cast us together, please cast us with separate people, because it's not necessary. They said, no, but we really want the two of you together, please. Even Tekka also I'm saying no to. Once I heard the script along with Dev was like, ab chhoro, chhod ke dikhao, chale main kya karu itna acha character mein. So we are both very hungry as artists and performers. I think that's where we even connect. So when there's a script which justifies our paths, when there's a script which justifies our greed, actors are greedy.
Absolutely.
When it justifies our hunger, we give into that. It's not about giving into just what the fan. Of course, the fans love to see it. We do it for the fans. But at the end of the day, to both of us, I think we are again living in such a time in cinema, where it's all about the script and the storytelling and the narrative of it all, more than actors or being stars and all of that. So whenever that comes away, but then, it gets very difficult for us to create a chemistry every time. But if you actually see our filmography together, we have, history has proved that, they only see on-screen couples as in love, or they're like the couple in the movie.
But you guys...
Dev and I have never repeated the same thing. We have always broken away from it. We've been a husband and wife, and then he's been a cop, and I've been a terrorist in Kabir. Then in Cockpit, I was a second lead who was madly in love with him, alcoholic. फिर जाके जब हम लोग ने टेक्का किया, I am the cop, he is a terrorist. So we've always tried to shuffle our
different
roles.
Dynamics.
Dynamics. We've tried to explore that. It's only when that comes our way is then when we give in. So if something great comes up again, why not?
So have you decided on the next one with him?
No, nothing yet. No, nothing. No, nothing.
কিচ্ছু
নেই, সত্যি পাচ্ছি না। But we are not. We know that. The beauty of it is that Dev and I, we have never gone hunting for a script where somebody will cast us. like I said, we tell people don't cast us. We tell people that 4-5 साल हमको एक साथ काम नहीं करना है. हम लोग तो बहुत कर लिया. 5 साल बाद हम लोग फिर से जैसे देव खादान लेके आए हो, फिर हम लोग रुक्मिणी और देव को वापस लेके आएंगे 5 साल बाद.
Nah,
So
keep
yeah,
the
that.
fan. I did that for you, but I don't think
Oh, you
fans
don't
will
think
approve
fans
of
will
that
approve that.
idea.
You let us know under this video.
But Rukmini has so much of love and emotion in heart.
Yeah.
How would you define love in life? How would you define romance? What shift does it do to you when you are the person who's in love?
I think when I am in love, I believe in one thing, which is loving with responsibility. I feel I take absolute responsibility of my relationship, of the respect that it should get, of the honesty that it deserves, and of the friendship that it stands on.
Absolutely.
And all of these things I think encompasses love for me. And I think the beauty of love is what my father has always taught me, that you only learn to love when you not only love the good in the person, but also the bad in the person.
Absolutely.
When you can love him completely or love this human being completely, irrespective of his or her good or bad, is when you love them selflessly. And that for me is love.
So how has the family, and
Yeah.
including Devda,
Yeah.
how has he reacted? Because ওরা তো মুভিটা পুরোটাই দেখে নিয়েছে, আমি জানি এতদিনে. So how have they reacted? What was their first reaction?
I think Dev is this is going pre-release. আমাদের আগে
Yeah,
যা আগে
pre-release,
pre-release না then okay, I thought it. The only person who's seen it is Dev, because my family, they watch it at the screening itself. I don't watch my films anymore before it releases. I watch it 2-3 days after that.
কেন?
I just get very nervous. I'm very critical. So I'm like, so I'm like that. So if there's a premiere, else I'll watch it like 2-3 days later. But Dev has watched it and he's loved the film. More than I think he's very proud of the film. He feels that, of course, he feels that it's a word of mouth film because it'll grow.
Yeah.
This is a movie which will grow. And he's spoken about a lot of big awards. So let's see. I think
হবে
Touch wood.
হবে. But
He
দেখো,
said this is the best film from his production house. That's
Oh!
what he said. So yeah.
comes from somebody who you apparently had told me once. I am
Yeah.
pretty sure I have it on record because আমি ওই অডিওটা প্লে করেছিলাম আমার ইন্টারভিউতে, where you said that he keeps scolding you
Yeah. Oh.
from a person who's always been
Yeah.
scolding you. It has come.
Yeah.
তো যখন এবার তো আর বকেনি, এবার তো ভালো কথা বলেছে. How did you react?
Dave scolds me when I'm on set. And when he sees the work on screen, he's he's like a father figure, Sete, he's the first one to scold me. And then when he sees the film, he's also the first one to come and tell me that, you deserve a pat on your back. You've done a good job. So he's exactly that.
And now I think you are also doing one more film na,
Yeah,
with
yeah.
Ramda.
Oh, no, with Ramda, of
Draupadi.
course, Draupadi. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
it's another setup which
Ah.
is gonna be maddening and iconic.
Yeah.
So do you feel that the whole experience of Binodini,
Yeah.
especially the challenges that
Yeah.
you guys have faced, has prepared you to take up something like Draupadi? Because again, Draupadi will be
Yeah.
bigger possibly.
There was a big connection in Binodini.
Absolutely, I was
which
gonna come to that.
happened. And
Because you play on stage, you play
I
the character
played that
anyway.
on stage, and I still remember when I was playing that character on stage, Ram, whenever we did any of the theater scenes, Ram had one demand, that you have to be so prepared for it that I'm not going to allow you a mic. You have to perform it like a theater actor. And he used to make sure that his monitor is at the far end of the theater. And when theater actors perform, they have to speak from their stomach,
Yeah.
not from their throat. And it's like, I should be able to hear your performance there so that I can see the nerves on your neck, so that it's a convincing performance. And I remember when we did Draupadi, and Ram was sitting, and a lot of junior actors who were there who were waiting for their shot. After I did Draupadi, and I saw this round of applause happening, which I thought there was another camera at them, capturing them. And then I went into my van, and then Ram came and told me, "Did you see that?" I said, "What scene? Bhalo chilo, thik chilo." But everyone was applauding for your performance. I said, "Ha, tumi tokhon you've taken that, right?" বলছে না, ওইদিকে কোনো ক্যামেরা ছিল না, একটাই তো ক্যামেরা, there's one camera. I said, then why were they applauding? He said, because of your performance. They had a character break. They weren't there as actors. They were there as an audience. They just saw your performance and they applauded. Do you know what you've done? And I was like, okay, that's a moment. And speaking of connections, the last line on the last day of shoot, what I said was, আমি দ্রৌপদী করছি, আসবেন দেখতে. Yeah.
Karmic Everything is karmic. ওটা কবে হবে? मतलब when are you planning?
You know, I'll tell you, Binodini is that test. It took us 5 years to make this film, to back a dream, to support a dream, to support a vision. So if this movie works, if the audiences come to theaters, if they actually watch it, we have a houseful board hanging. And if they love this film, then I think it's not just a film. Why I call it a movement is because this will give people a lot of courage
To make more
films like this, to have female protagonists and give them the budget and the canvas that women deserve.
Absolutely.
It's not just about equal pay parity. It's about equality in the canvas.
Equal opportunities.
Equal opportunities. You also give us that opportunity to justify a canvas.
Absolutely.
So if this happens, then you never, like, Draupadi will get more people to come on board and produce it and make the film. And it's taken us 5 years. I don't know how many years it's going to take us to make Draupadi, but I guarantee you we will.
And how many more years for you to do your next Hindi film, maybe?
So, you know, it was so surprising. I had a Netflix lead which was just offered to me. And while I was shooting for this film, also a series had come through from a big production house, which I couldn't do as I was shooting for Binodini. अभी इस वक्त मुझे एक Netflix का सीरीज में एक लीड के लिए मुझे कॉल आया, and then they were shooting in Dubai, India, Spain. I said ठीक है. So then they said, yeah, but till 25th of Jan we need your date. I said, oh, I have Binodini. बोले, you're shooting? I said, no, I'm promoting. बोला, promotion ही तो है. I said, नहीं यार, मेरी जान है, नहीं होगा मुझसे.
But you should have just told them that you will do it post
I told them, but they wanted those dates. They had those dates and they really wanted November, December and January and all of those things. So because shooting in India also, I think it's now much easier during the winters because so it's a lot of things. You know how they wanted to stream. So all that happened, but that's another story. But I hope something soon, something, you never know. अगर होगा तो होगा. Binodini भी कहाँ पता था किस्मत में लिखी हुई थी.
That's true.
So yeah, you never know. जो होगा वही.
And Jata, I have to ask you.
No.
I have to ask you.
No.
I have to.
No.
How do you know what I'm going to ask you? How do you know what I'm going to ask you?
Your mother is there. Don't ask.
So
me.
what?
This is naughty, not naughty. You can't.
But I have to be naughty in the end, na. দেখো আমি তুমি এখানে জানো কি এখানে কতজন যারা দেখছে, how many people would want to know the answer to this question? What are the next plan? What is the next plan? তুমি কি মানে is there any plan to like get married?
Of course.
Pretty soon?
You know there's a saying in Bangla, Kromosho Prokasho. For them to even Google and understand what it means would be a good.
Kromosho Prokasho বাকিরা করুক, তুমি আমাকে আগে উত্তরটা দাও.
I'll give you now off camera. আন্টি দেখো তোমার ছেলে কি সব বলছে, দেখো ছেলেকে সামলাও, এসব এসে করছে কলকাতা. His sole purpose of this interview was to just
not at all.
Just
listen, I would have gotten to know any which way without the interview. Do you know this?
এই বিয়েটা কবে? হ্যালো
সে তো আরই বলবে না, আমি জানি তো কোথা থেকে আমি অন্তত জানতে পারবো ব্যাপারটা. But honestly speaking, I'm just happy that we had a lot of fun.
Yes.
This interview, I hope and pray আমি কোনোদিন বলি না ওইরকম ভাবে গিয়ে যে oh you have to watch this interview, please watch this interview. But I'm going to request all the audience to not just watch this interview but also go watch Binodini at a theater near you. I know actors usually do this, but I'm going to do this because I feel that as a Bengali, if we don't do it right now, when will we start doing it? For a film that is that has its heart in its right place, and a film that belongs to two individuals for me who have been important parts of my life, Rukmini Di, actually three, Rukmini Di, Devda and Ramda. So thank you so much for doing this. And I hope and pray, and shudhu pray na ami jani, somewhere deep down I know that this might just change the naksha of Bengali film industries nationwide and who knows maybe globally as well. And to all the awards, amra abar dekha korchi and we are gonna do this interview and I love you the most.
Thank you Nani.
Thank you for doing this.
Thank you for being here for me.
Not at all, anything for you.
Thank you Nani.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.